Half the misunderstandings on a build come from communications scattered across texts, emails, and phone calls nobody can find later. Paperless gives you one place to talk. Go to communication, then messages. Your inbox is organized the way a builder thinks. By job. Every project holds its own conversations with the client, your staff, and the trades on it. Open Mitty's house, and there's the thread with Sam, our site supervisor. Ask him something real. Can you lock in the frame inspection for Thursday? Hit send. And that question now lives with the job, not in a text thread on your phone. Sam answers from site, on his phone or the portal, and the whole exchange sits against Mitty's house. Inspector booked, photos promised, all on the record. Anyone who needs the answer later can find it, without asking you to scroll your texts. The real value is continuity. When a question comes up about what was agreed, the conversation is right there, on the record, for whoever needs it. It keeps client communication professional, and your team coordinated without everyone needing your mobile number. Next up, WhatsApp Business.